Hey everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this really nice deep brown purpley smoky eye look for you. So if you'd like to see how I accomplished it, then please keep watching.
I went ahead and did a few things really fast. First off, I went and I primed my face and I used my Cover FX Mattifying Primer, and it has an anti-acne treatment in it.
For my brows, I'm using all Anastasia Beverly Hills products. The first is Brow Wiz in Soft Brown, then moving on to the Brow Powder Duo in Dark Brown, and then picking up their Tinted Brow Gel in Espresso. I'm going to be priming my eyes with Tarte Shape Tape in Light Medium Honey, and then setting that with Airspun Loose Face Powder in Naturally Neutral.
I gotta get these curls out of my face Get them out of the way. For today's smoky look, we're gonna be hopping into here, and I'm so excited. There's oh, look at that, beautiful. But yeah, so let's go ahead and dive right in.
The first color I picked up is Silk Cream, and I'm blending that out into my crease all around really sloppily with my Sigma Tapered Blending E40. Using the same brush, I'm now going to jump into Pukey and apply that right over Silk Cream. Once again, I'm going to continue with the same brush, and I'm picking up Roxanne and blend that in the same area right over Pukey and Silk Cream. Now moving on to deepening that crease, I'm going to pick up the color Jacz, and I'm using my Sigma Blending E36. Time to blend it out. Now this brush, I love this brush. It's a blending brush and it is from Sigma as well. I can't remember what it is. All the lettering and numbers were off. I think it's a E25, I'm not really sure. Now we're gonna move on to the color Chip, and I'm gonna pick up that blending E36 from Sigma again. We're really gonna concentrate on deepening that crease. Now for the lid color, the smoky part, I tapped into Soda Pop and Abyss. It's the two bottom right hand colors, and I'm going to get that all on the lid into the color Chip, and then I picked up the Sigma E36 again to blend those together. Then I move on to the other eye, and to apply this to my lid, I used my Sigma Short Shader E20. Now time for some Creamscicle. I'm adding that color right to the edge of all the colors to kind of blend that out. And to do that, I'm using my Duo Side Eco Tools brush. It's a smudge and blend, and I'm using the blend side.
Whenever I do like a smoky eye, it all depends if I want to use eyeliner, not use eyeliner, do I want to go for a crazy wing. For this eye look, I'm actually not going to wing it out, but I am going to use eyeliner, and I'm just going to keep it right into my lash line. So very, very, very tiny eyeliner today.
The liner that I'm using is from Lorac, and it is their Front of the Line Pro Liquid Eyeliner in black.
Done. Now I'm gonna stop on my eyes and go put the brakes on, and I'm going to go off camera. I'm gonna finish my whole face with everything, wham bam boom, and I'll share with you when I come back what I used. Time to share.
When I do use foundation, one of my favorite foundations to use is the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Oil-Free Makeup with a Micro Clear technology. Then for all of my blemishes, I'll apply their Skin Clearing Blemish Concealer, also with a Micro Clear technology. For my under eyes only, I use their Healthy Skin Brightening Eye Perfector. I love this product, and I've used it actually for years. Then to set the under eyes, I once again picked up the Airspun Loose Face Powder. For the rest of the face, I went with the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Mineral Powder.
I also did a little bit of contouring. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I used this shade right to here. For blush, I used my Tarte. This is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and this is Paaarty. Oh yes. And then my fave highlighter, I used the Amrezy. Oh, it's so bright and shiny. I love it. And I just put that on my cheekbones right here, put it on my Cupid's bow, a little bit on my nose, a little bit on the bridge of my nose too. I am gonna do inner corner, but I'm gonna save that for the end. I'm gonna go back off camera again, and I'm going to add some falsies. These are from Ardell. Obviously it's a little 2-pack. I'm gonna jump into the bottom guys here because I honestly don't know where the top one was, but that's okay. It is in 110. I'm also gonna first coat my lashes with the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. All done with that. Eyelashes are on. I also went over the band real quick with my Lorac eyeliner again, just to kind of clean that up a little bit. Under eyes, here we go.
Using the tapered E40 from Sigma, I'm gonna sweep that silk cream under my eye. Then I'm going to tap into Pukey using the same brush and just keep really sloppily sweeping that under the eyes as well. Then we're gonna move on to Jacz with the blending E36, and then I'm gonna go ahead after I blend that out a little bit, grab the short shader E20 to apply Soda Pop and Abyss, and then blend out with the E36. Then last color here, we're gonna pick up some of the Creamscicle, blend that out with the, I believe the E25 from Sigma, and then lastly for the highlight, Beam. We're gonna just apply that right to the arches, and then it's Amrezy time. I absolutely love this highlighter. It is absolutely freaking beautiful. Oh, look at it. You just shine and sparkle, and it's amazing.
I feel like I want something in my bottom, in my waterline. I think I'm gonna use Oozy. Yep, Oozy it is. I'm gonna put this in the waterline. So here I go.
For the waterline there, I picked up my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Once again, that is in Oozy.
I approve. Yes.
For my bottom lashes, I'm applying Maybelline Lash Discovery.
Gotta choose a lipstick. Which lipstick is it gonna be? I got 2 choices here. I'm like, I got I like this. Winner! What are you? Hawkwind? Yes. Hawkwind.
The lipstick I'm using today is from Kat Von D, and it is from her Everlasting Liquid Lipstick line, and this shade is in Hawkwind. Then finally adding some Kat Von D Lock-It Makeup Setting Mist, and because I don't have time to wait for it to dry, fan it out. That is it, my friends. I hope that all of my makeup lovers out there and my curl friends out there, I hope that you guys will come back next Monday and join me for a new video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and sticking around with me as I shared this smoky eye look with you. And if you did really like it, hey, please be sure to hit that like button. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. It would be really great. And again, thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.
Time like these that I wish I had more lid space. Oh, I'm gypped. Now, for a lot of smoky eyes, then from there, I picked up the Neutrogena. I'm gonna kind of do the same thing that I did up. Ow! No! Oh my God,